Rahul was a young and reckless driver who always thought he was above the law. He loved speeding, honking, and cutting off other drivers whenever he got the chance. His friends and family often warned him about his dangerous driving habits, but he never listened. One day, while driving to work, Rahul was in a hurry to beat the traffic light. He saw a red light up ahead and decided to speed up to make it through before it turned green. As he approached the intersection, he didn't even bother to slow down or check for pedestrians or other vehicles. Just as he was about to cross the intersection, a pedestrian stepped off the curb and started crossing the road. Rahul didn't see her in time and ran her over. The impact was severe, and the pedestrian suffered serious injuries. The police arrived soon after and took Rahul into custody. He was charged with reckless driving and hit and run. The pedestrian was rushed to the hospital and was lucky to be alive. As Rahul sat in his jail cell, he couldn't help but think about how his reckless behavior had almost taken someone's life. He realized that his actions had consequences not just for himself, but for others as well. Rahul's friend, Rohan, visited him in jail and told him about the importance of traffic rules. He explained that traffic rules are not just there to govern our behavior, but to keep us safe. Rohan shared a story about how his own family had been affected by a traffic accident, and how it had changed their lives forever. Rahul was deeply moved by Rohan's words and realized that he had been living in a bubble all along. He vowed to change his ways and start following traffic rules from that day on. After serving his sentence, Rahul got back behind the wheel, this time with a newfound respect for traffic rules. He slowed down, checked his mirrors, and followed the rules of the road. And you know what? He felt safer than ever before. The story of Rahul serves as a reminder that traffic rules are not just suggestions, but essential guidelines that can save lives. By following traffic rules, we can prevent accidents, reduce injuries, and ensure a safer commute for everyone.